Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today guys, we are going to unbox this premium gaming headphone from Zebronics called Zeb Havoc from Gamer's Dream. Yes, a Gamer's Dream headset that comes with Dolby Atmos and stunning RGB lighting. So let's jump right into the unboxing and find out if this headset really delivers that immersive gaming experience that Zebronics promises. So alright, if you are new here to our channel, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves and click that bell icon so you never miss any updates. So let's get started. So this is our box. Here you can see the image of headphone, and on the back here you can see the key features. It comes with 15 mm of neodymium drivers and multicolor lights, volume controller plus it has, and comes with 3.5 mm audio jack plus USB for lights and mic on off switches also. Now let's unbox it first. Here is our premium gaming headset. Wow guys, it's very unique in style. And inside the box guys, here we get the headphone itself and a one warranty card from Zebronics, and it's a user manual scanner. It's an extra 3.5 mm of audio jack splitter. So now talking about the design, honestly it looks super modern and stylish. Look at these headset guys, what a unique design of this headset. And you get this matte black finish with RGB lightning strips. Here you can see on the both ear cups that automatically glow when plugged in, and the headband features an elastic suspension design which provide great comfort during long gaming sessions. In this headset we didn't get the cushion headband. Yes, it's elastic. The ear cups are very soft, made of breathable mesh fabric guys. See closely, it's a breathable mesh fabric. That is very nice feature of this headset, which helps prevent heat and build up something gamers will definitely appreciate. Look at the design guys, amazing. Coming to the features, this Zeb Havoc supports Dolby Atmos. Yes, which means you get an immersive 3D surround sound experience in games like Valorant, PUBG or Call of Duty and Game of War. You can clearly hear footsteps and direction. That means that's a big plus for competitive gaming. It also comes with a flexible noise reducing microphone, perfect for clear communication during gameplay or streaming guys. Here you can see, so the microphone is perfect. This braided USB cable is strong and durable, ensuring long life even with rough use also. You can see very durable this wire is, and here we get one USB cable and one 3.5 mm audio jack. Let's connect this headset. I will connect to my laptop. Wow guys, in the light also this RGB lighting is visible. You can see the lights are very strong. And here guys, here we get this mic on off switch also and one volume controller also. And the best thing here we get in microphone, the best thing we get the pop filter, so you can communicate clearly. Amazing guys. Now it's time to test this headset. So let's play some music guys. Sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. Another bird below you said myself that this is the last time. Wow guys, the bass is punchy, the highs and mids are well balanced, and this Dolby Atmos effect truly makes a difference. It feels like a sound is coming from all directions, totally immersive. Yes, and also I have tested the mic also, guys. The mic is very nicely minimized, so my voice sounds clear, and background noise nicely minimized, which makes it great for Discord calls, gaming, or even streaming sessions. Guys, just look at those RGB lights. When you plug it in, the site starts glowing with beautiful flowing colors, giving it that perfect gamer vibe. It looks amazing in low light setups. As you can see, I have switched off all the lights, and definitely it enhances the desk aesthetics. Very glowing and full of brightness. So about its pros and cons, guys. This headset has Dolby Atmos surrounded sounds, so very comfortable headband and ear cups. Clear noise reducing microphones, RGB lighting looks amazing, and it comes with braided and durable USB cable. And about its cons, guys, it is a wired headset. Yes, it has no wireless option. So overall, this Zebronics Havoc is a solid premium gaming headset at a great value. And guys, talking about the pricing, if you have a budget under 2000, so you can get this, so you can purchase this, guys. You can purchase this headset. Yes, the cost is around 1700. You can go and check it out, guys. You can purchase it online or offline also. The price may vary between 17 to 1800. If you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome unboxing and tech reviews. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.